they brought the three men before the king said, "Is it true that at the sound of the music that you've disobeyed my decree and you have failed to bow down?" And they said, "O king, live forever. We're not careful how to answer thee in this matter." Nebuchadnezzar said, "I'm going to give you one more opportunity. I'm going to give you one more chance. At the sound of the music, I want you to bow down." The music sounded. They refused to bow down. The king said, "I want the furnace heated 7 times. And I want these men bound and thrown into the fiery furnace." They threw the servants of God into the fiery furnace, and the king looked. He looked, he said, "Did not we throw 3 in, but I see a 4th one." And he looked like the Son of God. Now here's something that's interesting. There were 3 thrown in. The king saw 4, but only 3 came out. Somebody said that's because Jesus stayed in the fiery furnace, because he knew that some of us were going to be thrown in there. And he wanted to already be in there when they tossed us in there. Listen, you're going to go through some changes. You're going to go through some fiery furnaces. You're going to go through some storms. But I want you to know that same Lord that was in there with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, he'll be in that fiery furnace with you. He'll deliver you from your fiery furnace. And don't you know when you're going through, listen what the fire did. The fire destroyed the ropes that had them bound. Your tests, your trials will destroy the things that come to bind you, and God will free you through what you're going